Remember we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone.
Hey, what's up everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gabriel Medina 92. I really appreciate you all tuning in. And we're at 84 subscribers. Let's go to 85, 86. Let's get to 100 but before the year is over. Anyway, I'm here with all three of my sons. The baby's on here. He's smiling. I got my oldest Gabriel right here. Angel's right here. He's grabbing a chair. Today I'm teaching my sons how to make enchiladas. Because I believe every man, every boy needs to know how to cook. If you don't know how to cook, then you ain't gonna survive. You gotta learn how to cook. And you're blocking the whole damn thing. Alright, so first we gotta cook the meat first before we put anything in the oven. Because I'm making my enchiladas the way I was taught to make enchiladas. So you can use any type of meat, you know, as long as it's beef. Or you like chicken, use chicken. That's what you guys do. You put the oil on the pan. See? Get the oil on there. Turn on your temperature. You don't want it high, you don't want it low. You probably want it at 6. 6 is a good number, you know. You let that heat up for a minute. So, what you're going to do is get a bowl. Let's find a bowl. Hold on, grab a bowl. Any type of bowl. You're going to throw the meat in there because you need to put the garlic and salt inside the meat. You know, you got to have that seasoning in it. Because you don't got no seasoning, what the hell are you doing? Okay, see? Meat and bowl. You guys got it? Get your salt. Salt it up in there, you know, you're going to mix it around. Then, of course, you got to have garlic. Garlic's the most important thing you guys should have. If you don't got garlic, you know, you ain't going to get that good flavor. And my baby right here just smiling right here. I got garlic in my mouth because I had to take out the wrapper. Yo. Okay, see? You're going to want to hold the bowl and jaw. I'll teach you right now. Ready? Do that. Gabriel, this is what we do. You smash it up like that. Hold the bowl. You dropped the meat already. Okay, you want some flavor in there. You don't want no flavor. You want. Yeah. You can grab the phone and show in the meat. Okay. See, you want to get your hands in there. Then grab a little bit more garlic. A little bit more salt. You want that flavor in there. Can't be afraid to get your hands dirty, you guys.
It's just food.
It's just food.
I want to try.
Go ahead, try. Go ahead, get in there. Okay. Now that it's cooked, well, not cooked. Now that it's mixed, you want to fill the pan. Put your hand over it. See if is it warm?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. And oh yeah, a lot of people like to add pepper. I really am not a big pepper guy, but pepper does give it that extra, you know. So get a little flavor of pepper in there, you know.
Mm-hmm. So it could be like a little bit good.
Yeah. Okay.
A little bit salty.
It's hot in the house.
No, you gotta wait until it.
You hear that boil?
Fine.
Yeah. Gotta cook the meat.
Daddy, that's the mommy.
Huh?
That's the mommy.
I guess some. That's all right, man.
Daddy, you know I like Target. It's so tasty.
Yeah.
It tastes like Dunchinos, but it tastes the same as tacos. The baby
as you can see, I have it covered. You want to get it covered so it can start cooking. So now, what we need is, give me the bowl over there, the blue bowl. We have to open. You can use different types of sauces you want. You know, it doesn't really matter. I just picked the most one they had there. They didn't really have a lot. Then you get your can opener. You're supposed to have everything put out, but if you don't have everything put out, you know, it's alright. Chicken there for the can opener, girl. Oh, never mind, I found it.
Is it green thing, Daddy?
See, all you do,
My daddy's dog cooking.
just pour the sauce in there, as you can see.
No stars. No, not stars.
Another thing I'm doing right now that I haven't showed you guys, I'm actually preheating my oven to 350. Because after you cook your meat and you get your tortillas ready, you get everything put together, that's when you're going to want to heat everything in the oven. The reason I'm putting this in bowl because you know you got to mix it.
Nice food.
I know.
Yeah, but we want to see more like this. Then
Get the cheese out.
see
Get the cheese. Get the cheese.
Daddy.
Yep.
Okay, you want to see another video like this?
What? What do they have to do?
They gotta subscribe.
Tell
80
them to subscribe. Don't tell me.
Subscribe 80 views and make sure you hit that like button. Oh yeah, and tell us what you wanna do as more channels. Or you want us to do it.
Yes. And, you know, the thing is, I'm going to do a lot more cooking with my kids because I have a few secret recipes I like. One of them is my famous Pepsi chicken. Yes, I said it. Pepsi chicken.
The petty chicken.
Now, what you're going to do is you're going to stir it around, you know, move the meat around. You don't want the meat just sit there in the oil, you know. See, you guys, look. Get a Angel. All you got to do is, where's Silas? Where did he go? Alright. All you want to do is move it around. Let's see, the oven is preheated now. So I'm just I got to cook the meat first, so get this.
And make sure hit 80 likes for this video.
See, I learned how to cook by my Uncle Nino.
Uncle Nino? Who's that?
My Uncle Nino, may he rest in peace. He's my grandpa's brother. My mom worked. She was a nurse. My dad worked. I would come home from school. Nobody was there, so I had to learn how to cook. The first thing I ever cooked, though, was eggs. I cooked eggs, and I burnt myself. Yeah, I burnt myself cooking eggs. Then, you know, I moved on to pancakes. I moved on to that. Then, finally, I made some delicious bomb-ass sandwiches. Then, that's when I started cooking more. By the time I was 14, put me in the kitchen, I knew how to cook.
Go watch TV.
Yeah, go watch TV, buddy. Get in the camera. Oh yeah, another thing I'm gonna put in it is olives. I got my cheese. I got my tortillas. These are the tortillas that I'm gonna be using because these are the best tortillas. Homemade tortillas are the best. Homemade flour tortillas are the best, no matter what. That's another thing I'll teach you guys how to make next.
Daddy, I already know how to cook it.
Yeah, you know how to cook already?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? You remember? Well, we have to cook like one of those. Daddy, you remember you teach me how?
Yes, sir.
Now it's gonna. So I know how.
See?
Is it almost fried up?
It's almost fried up. You gotta keep moving it around. You see all the. You gotta get the pink out. You gotta get it brown. You know, you gotta get it cooked. You know, see?
Oh.
Look at that. And unfortunately, I don't have the fast forward. I know my computer hasn't shown up yet where I can edit it, I do all of this. You guys see, and I go fast. No, I can't. This is gonna be a straight up video where it's made, and where once I have it in the oven, I'll start the second video where it's done, where I show you the completion of it. Or I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I'll figure something out right now. See, girl? You want to try moving it?
No.
No? Why not, man? All you
There's
do-
a leg of it.
So you just turn it. That's all you gotta do is turn.
I want to try one.
Hmm?
I want to try this one.
Try it. Go ahead. I got the pen. Go ahead. No.
Okay. So, go.
You grab it like that. You gotta turn it like that. Grab it like that. You gotta turn it like that. Grab it like that. Turn it like that. There you go. Okay. Let me get the ones in the back that you almost threw out.
I'm almost learning about this.
Yeah?
Enchiladas.
Enchiladas. I've been craving enchiladas the last few weeks. Don't know why, but I just been craving. Right. Okay. Next thing, another important thing, always have a drink ready. So Gabriel, go get the drinks. Go get some water. Oh yeah. Usually you have to put it in the pan when you're gonna put it in the oven. Put it in the foil paper, you know. That's what you basically gotta do is put it in foil paper. Cause you know you don't wanna have that dirty ass pan, you know, you gotta worry about cleaning.
Water.
You don't want water?
No.
Drink water, it's healthy for you guys. My cousin Linda, she could fucking drink this shit in like 3 seconds. I don't know how the fuck she does it, but she does it. Excuse the language, I cuss, yes I do. Okay, look at it now, baby. See the meat? Like it's cooking?
Yeah. And there's oil.
Yeah. So what we're basically gonna do right now, we're trying to get all the pink cooked, and after it's cooked, that's when we throw into the tortilla.
Okay.
Okay?
2.
Hmm?
Like make it burnt a little.
Hmm?
Make it burnt a little.
No, we throw into the tortilla so we can throw it in the oven.
Okay. But what we're gonna do with this?
But I'll show you right now. Since this is almost cooked, we can start the tortillas. Alright,
Tortillas.
open it up.
People call it like tortillas.
Alright. Move this to the side. Move this right here. So basically we do the first tortilla. We gotta get them all ready. Usually people will warm them up first, but since they're already going in the oven, there's no sense because they could bend and fold them how you want them. Do this.
Okay, so put it in there. Let it.
Ooh, don't make a mess.
Oh, now. Okay. So I get this.
I have it on the.
I want to try it.
You want to get your hands messy, see?
Can I try it? I want to try that.
Throw it like that, or throw it like that. And have it right there.
Then now.
Once the meat's done, we get it through. That's gonna be the first tortilla. See now,
Now
your job is to open the cheese, have the olives ready. Get a little bowl for the olives.
I didn't do my bowl. Put it where? One.
Okay, there you go.
That's cool. I want to put one here. Ooh, they look like berries, but they're not.
Oh no.
Strawberries. Another one?
Mm-hmm.
Can I dump this one?
Go ahead, dump. Hold it. Let me dump the water first. That juice of it. Have it. I know, sir. It happens. You get messy in the kitchen, man. Go ahead, get. Ooh. You even dumped the olives, man.
Oh, a lot. That's a lot.
And see, I'll show you the messes they're talking about right now, because look. Yeah, see that mess? A mess has happened in the kitchen. It's the kitchen. You want it to get messy. Well, you don't want it to get messy,
Not
really,
messy.
where you have to clean up a big mess, but you want...
Like
good.
a lot of juice on the floor. Things happens.
Yeah.
Like, see, this. This happens.
que lo hice en el mar. ¿A dónde fuiste, señor? Que si no iba a ir a fregar. Y luego dice que...
Okay, so we're gonna try this food for the first time. I like putting sour cream on mine. So, Gero, you can eat that side, I'll eat this side. Go ahead, man, dig in. Let's see how it tastes.
Oh, I'm gonna get the good spots.
You gonna get the good spot? Wow.
Hot.
Mmm. Tastes good. Ooh. Good? Alright. Alright, so check out our final product.
Yeah, because...
So, thank you for coming. Make sure you what?
Like, subscribe.
And comment, positive or negative. Wait till our next video. High five?
Yeah, high five.
Well, that was high five.
See more videos like this.
Much respect, much love. Keep it 100. Thank you very much.